Hello viewers and welcome to the Luo English Dictionary channel. In this channel we learn about the Luo language and we talk about stuff such as your birthday. In today's edition I shall tell you how to say your birthday. First of all, how do you talk about the days of the week? In order to know your birthday in the Luo language, you must know how to count. So to count 1 through 12, because we have January through December, you will count as, and I'll put them up here, Achiel, Ario, Adek, Angwen, Abich, Auchiel, Abirio, Aboro, Ochiko, and Apar, Apargi, Achiel, and Apargi, Ario. So that gives you the counting from 1 through to 12. And those are the days, the months of the year. To know the date, you must know how to count 1 through 31 because your day can fall under any of them. So now, let's say my birthday is the 23rd of September. So how does that happen? Now remember 23rd means 2 20s and a 3. So 23rd would be Piero Ario Kod Adek. So the date is 23rd. And then the month is September. And September is the 9th month. So that would be Due Mar Ochiko. And then for the day, for the year, it will be a large number. I don't want you to talk about the year today. So we shall talk about the year in another video. So for today's video, please know how to count 1 through 12 for the month and then 1 through 31 for the day. And after that, you'll be able to talk about the day that you're born, the day and the month. So you will say, Ne onyuola, I was born, Ne onyuola, and then you put the day. Tarik, Tarik means date. Ne onyuola tarik. So if it's 1, you say achiel. Ne onyuola tarik achiel. And then the month, you say Due mar achiel. So I was born on the 1st of January. Ne onyuola tarik achiel Due mar achiel. 2nd of February, ne onyuola tarik Ario Due mar Ario. Get the drift? So what I'll do is, I want to start counting 1 through 31, and then I also want to count 1 through 12. Then you can put them all together, and then you have your date. And please comment down below on the day and the month that you are born. So write ne onyuola. For example, I'll write the comment Ne onyuola tarik achiel Due mar achiel. Okay? And here we go. This is how you count 1 through 12. Achiel, Ario, Adek, Angwen, Abich, Auchiel, Abirio, Aboro, Ochiko, Apar. Apar gi achiel. Apar gi ario. And then counting 1 through 30, because I've counted 1 through 12, I just want to extend it to 30. So 13 becomes apar gi adek. Apar gi angwen. Apar gi abich, that's 15. Apar gi auchiel, that's 16. Apar gi abirio. Apar gi aboro. Apar gi ochiko. Then 20 you say Piero Ario. Piero Ario. Then we move on to 21. Piero Ario gi achiel. Piero Ario gi ario. Piero Ario gi adek. Piero Ario gi angwen. Piero Ario gi abich. Piero Ario gi auchiel. Piero Ario gi abirio. Piero Ario gi aboro. Piero Ario gi ochiko. Then 30, you say Piero adek. 10 tenths, 3 tenths. Piero adek. Then we have 31, which is Piero adek gi achiel. Those are all the days of the month and all the months of the year. And in this video, you have learned how to count 1 through 31 and how to say the day and the month in which you were born. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please look out for the next one. Bye-bye. Peace.